Are you a streamer on TikTok and want to up your streaming game with simple alerts when people follow, gift, or subscribe? Look no further, this guide is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you how to do it with one simple program and without wasting any more of your time. Let's get right into it. Let's go. So first things you need to do is go to this website that will be linked down in the description below. It's called TickFinity desktop app. You will need to download this program and simply install it. It is a program that does basically everything for TikTok live streams. Everybody that does proper TikTok live streams use this program and it's really, really nice. Today, I'll show you how to use it for alerts. So simply download it and let's get to it. All right, so now that you're in the program itself, you can see how it looks like over here. You might have to go to the TikTok live connection over here on the start page and just connect your TikTok. So basically just log into your page, your account, whatever, and then it will be working over here. You'll see your account in top left. It will say disconnected, click to connect. It will say that because you're not live right now, so you cannot really connect. So keep that in mind, ignore that. And then what we will do is go to the page over here with a little lighting icon, and you have two types of alerts. You have a sound alert and you have actions and events. What we will be using is action and events. They recommend sound alerts basically for people that are streaming through the phone. And then if you're using, the OBS or Live Studio, then they recommend actions and events because you have wider range of things to do and it's just more advanced rather than this simple sound alert, right? So we're gonna go to actions and events right here, and then you will see a bunch of different things, right? It will look a little bit different for you, but what you will have to do right here is go to actions and add a new action. So every single action that you do is just an alert, right? So what we will want to do over here is add a action called follow, for example, or follow alert because I already have follow. And then what you need to do over here is enable whatever you want. So if you want to play an audio when somebody follows, you can do that, press play audio. And then they have a big sound library where you can choose a bunch of different sounds. For example, you can do fart. So you can do a fart sound when somebody follows. I've seen that a lot. There's so many sounds you can choose. So choose whatever you want. And then you can do an animation, for example. You choose whatever animation. Let's say this reward badge over here. And then we can do, play video file if you want even read TTS. So like if somebody, follows, it says, hey, welcome username. Thank you so much for the follow. You can do that if you want over here. There's all these placeholders where you can just copy paste, for example, thank you, and then you can do this username over here, just paste it in and it says thank you, and then their username right there. You can also make sure to, switch OBS scenes, all of that stuff, but that's just advanced. If you want simple alerts, you basically just enable audio, animation, and you can do show alert user plus text. So it says thank you, their username. It doesn't read the TTS. So we can do that, and then we scroll down here, we can just click save. Over here, we're gonna ignore this. We click save and it's gonna add a follow alert over here. You can do the same thing for subs, for gifts, for whatever you want, right? So if you wanna do the same thing for subs, you do the same thing and you can change, all these other descriptions and all these other alerts to whatever you would like. 5 is the most you can do on the free plan on TickFinity, so keep that in mind, but you won't need more than 5 anyway. So we can use this follow alert. I'll just delete the one that I made. I can use my old one. And then over here in the events, you will have to click on create new event and then link that alert with the event. So who is able to trigger the event? Everyone. But what will the event be triggered? And then you can do follow over here. So you will choose the action, which is the follow that we just created. And then it will be triggered by the follow. Or if you have a sub, it will be triggered by the sub. Same thing for all the other actions. So you have to link them to the specific event, right? So you do that, you click save, and that's basically it. We already have that, so I can do it, but I have it over here. If you see follow is linked to follow. So that's basically it. That's all you have to do. You have to link the action to the event, and that's it. And then all you have to do is scroll down to the overlay screen settings, and you will see the screen 1, which is the browser source that you will copy over here, and then go into OBS or your TikTok Live Studio and paste it as the browser source. So what we can do, I'll show you on OBS, for example. You simply just move OBS over here. You have the, your OBS, whatever. You can right click, add, and then browser, and then you can type TikTok alerts, paste, and then just, paste this in. So you have the TikTok alert over here. And now whenever we test it, if you want to click on the test icon right here, you can scroll down to the event simulator and then you can simulate the follow. and then it will be simulating that follow on the screen. So that's how it works. It's that simple. You just add the browser source into OBS or your TikTok Live Studio. So for example, if you want to add the same thing into TikTok Live Studio, what you will have to do is go into the add source over here on the scenes tab, add source, make sure it says link, which is the same thing as the browser source. You click on link, you click on add, and then you just paste the link over here. And then make sure the turn on sound is on because you want the sound to actually play. Add source. And now it is actually right there. And then if we test it, we can click on the test icon again, simulate follow, and boom, it is right over here. So you can choose the location wherever you want to place it, but it does work, as you can clearly see. And that's basically it. A lot of people don't know how to set this up, and they think it's something really hard to do or something very advanced. But matter of fact, it's actually very simple, and you just improved your stream by so much. More people will actually gift and follow when they see those alerts show up, which is actually amazing, and it will boost your streams so much more. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop the like. It would mean the world. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. And if you want to watch some other TikTok guys that I have, watch them right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.